We finally have point of view in my hands, and I'm gonna give it an honest review. First, you go in with Drench It. This is a soothing priming milk. I've been saying it's a very nice, thin, melt into your skin type of vibe. This, I can't get on the airplane. So this is gonna stay with my mother in Brooklyn. I gotta give her a try now. Very liquidy, running down my hand. I feel like I got a nice little just mist of hydration. Very light on the skin, not suffocating. Feels hydrating, doesn't feel oily or anything. Supposed to go in with Drip It, Nourish and Glow Serum. There it is right there. Back into the hand. Make sure your hands are fucking clean while you're doing this too. Don't be a dirtbag. Doing skin prep. Almost feels like Drench It, Drip It on the skin type of feeling. Do I know if you need the whole entire shebang? Not sure right now. That is giving it a beautiful wet type of glossy glow or whatever. And then she goes in with Whip It. Cool thing about Whip It, you know, they got the spoon. Hold on, my hands, they're moist. There she is. She came to hang out with us. Let's see. I'm dying to see the texture of this. My hands are so hydrated right now, I can't even get anything open. Okay, sorry. Here's Whip It. As you can see, she has a pearlescent finish. This gotta do something to the skin. There's no way. It's like a pearl. This feels fucking good. So far, everything has been feeling really good, but this feels very nice. I hate when moisturizers are like oily feeling and heavy. This definitely feels light, velvety. Doesn't feel like it's suffocating me, which is huge. And as you can see, that pearlescent finish. My face right now feels like a slip and slide in a good way. I'm interested to see how the makeup is gonna last on this. It does feel very dewy, very wet. It does feel like stuff could slide right off. But I think that is also the whole point of the tack it. Glaze it. My bad. But tacky primer. You know what I was talking about, okay? But you know, I love a tacky primer. This also locks. Can't get anything fucking open. Oh, unlock. It was unlock. I don't read directions. It shows you left or right. Very jelly type of consistency. Not thick either. It's nice and thin. And the reason being, I think it's so it absorbs into the skin better. Sometimes when I go into other tacky primers, it feels a little like gluey. I don't like that. I look fucking dewy and radiant and glazed. I feel like I just got a facial. You know when you get a facial and you leave and you're like, I'm gonna hop off camera, see how my makeup looks. Is it gonna look better? Am I gonna look like a greasy mess? We're gonna find out together. Stay right there. Alrighty, we're all done. Makeup is on, and how is the skin looking? There ain't no filter on here either. My texture's looking good. Also, my skin feels like velvet, like suede, soft. What else is perfect than putting on Ant Bit on the lips? I did try it already, not gonna lie. Smells like mangoes, it's very yummy. And that's the lip for the day. I'm a fan. Hate me, love me, say what you gotta say. It's fucking good. They're good. Go crazy. Figure it out. I don't know. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.